Hello, my little superstars. Today we are going to read a story. The slide is tall and long. The slide is tall and long. Your turn. Very good. I climb up the steps. Again. I climb up the steps. Your turn. Very good. I sit right at the top. Again. I sit right at the top. Your turn. Very good. Then I slide down fast. Again. Then I slide down fast. Your turn. Very good. The slide. The slide is tall and long. I climb up the steps. I sit right at the top. Then I slide down fast. I'll read it again. The slide is tall and long. I climb up the steps. I sit right at the top. Then I slide down fast. Are you ready to answer some questions? What does the person do right after climbing the steps of the slide? Option A. Run to the park. Option B. Sit right at the top. Option C. Slide down slowly. Option B. Sit right at the top. What part of the slide is described as tall and long? Option A. The steps. B. The bottom. And C. The slide itself. The slide itself. Correct. Grammatical question. Find out verbs, that is action words. I climb the steps. I sit on the top. I slide down. What do you think are the actions which you take? Climbing is an action, sitting is an action, and sliding down is an action. These action words are called verbs. V-E-R-B-S. Verbs. So what are the verbs? Climb, sit, and slide. Very good. Do subscribe. You did amazing today. See you in the next video.